Hello, welcome back to my channel Pinpoint Law Lecture. I am Gaguri Bhattacharya is back with a new law lecture. So let's begin today's video and check out the topic. So today's topic is understanding criminal law. In legal studies, criminal law is a very important area and the periphery of criminal law is very wide. It includes three major acts, that is the Indian Penal Code, then comes the Code of Criminal Procedure, and then the Evidence Act. These three acts connotes the periphery of criminal law. Firstly, in Indian Penal Code, it defines the various crimes and their punishments. Then the Code of Criminal Procedure states about the procedure of the laws which are laid down under IPC, that is the Indian Penal Code, and then the Evidence Act, which helps to complete the trial procedure of the criminal cases. So today's video is all about the Indian Penal Code. First topic, that is the maxim, which is very important, and this maxim will help you to understand what is the crime. So to understand criminal law, one have to know what is the crime. Crimes are those which are particularly associated with wrongs, and those wrongs are particularly the violation of public law. So if a person violates the public law, then he constitutes a crime. This is the simplest form of crime. And in crime, it is important that the crime affects the society at large. In simple words, crime includes an ill motive and intention which results to injury of another person or society. To understand what is crime, one have to know Actus non facit REUM nisi mensit rea. In the Indian Penal Code, this is the very first chapter where this maxim has been stated. So, to understand this maxim is very much important to understand what is the crime. Under this maxim, there are two important elements. They are actus rea and mens rea. When these two things are together, then it particularly commit the crime. Actus rea is the physical element and mens rea is the mental element. Actus rea is the physical force which constitute a crime, and when that physical force is included with a criminal motive, then the crime has been constituted. So there are two things. First, the physical force, then the mental intention or motive which togetherly commits a crime. The maxim Actus non facit REUM nisi mensit rea has two elements. One is the actus rea and another is the mens rea. Firstly, actus rea means the physical force. That is, when a person intended to conduct a crime, he used some physical force. That physical force is the element under actus rea, and that movement must be willed movement. If a person did anything which is under his intoxication mode, when he is not under his mind's control, that movement is not under actus rea. Under actus rea, a human must do some act which is under his control of mind. Then comes the second thing, that is mens rea, and it means the mental element. Under mental element, one thing is first and foremost, that is the intention. Intention is one of the very important factor of crime, which means the state of mind of a person who not only forces but also desires the possible consequences of his conduct. Then comes motive. The difference between motive and intention is that motive is an attitude of mind or ultimate object which is intended to achieve. Motive may be said as an emotion promoting the act, that is, love, compassion, fear, jealousy, lust, hatred, political gesture, desire, money, and desire for religion, whatever it is. And then comes another term which we get afterwards in the IPC, that is voluntarily. Under section 39, it is stated what is voluntarily. Voluntarily means when a person does any act which is under his mind's control. And then another thing, that is reason to believe. Under section 26 of IPC, when someone has any reason to believe one thing. And then comes knowledge. This is also very important, as knowledge is the interference invariably lead to a particular consequences with the degree of certainty. And then comes fraudulently and dishonestly. Fraudulently indicates many things, which is the intention in a fraud or dishonest manner. So these are all the examples of mens rea. Any of these elements constitute a crime together with the actus rea. So, to constitute a crime, this maxim is very much important, as this maxim laid down two main elements, that is the mens rea and the actus rea. When both the physical element and mental element clubbed together, then it results a perfect crime. That's it for today's video. Hope you have understood what is the crime and what is the important maxim under the criminal law. So, if you like my video, please like the video and share it, and you may subscribe if you like this, and keep following this channel. Thank you everyone.